One of my favorite activities, which is sound. Now, this won't be real loud, but it's a little loud. I love learning about sound. This is something that I don't think teachers would like. I'm a teacher, I don't think they would like this. And all I'm doing is blowing in there and vibrating out this balloon here. But there's a lot of things you can do at home to explore sound. One of my favorite is to make balloon drums. You know, most of the time when you do science experiments, they don't work. But don't give up. If your experiment doesn't work, keep trying it. The first time I did this, it didn't work until I stretched the balloons a little bit better. Another thing that we've been trying to do is some sound. I've got these different bottles with different levels of water in them. And so if I blow on this one, I can vibrate this air. And this one, high or low, what do you think? And all I've done is add extra water. And so we have some in the middle. Is that going to be high or low? Or in the middle? Let's find out. Make a prediction. High, low, or in the middle? In fact, as I go through these, they change. And you can make one of these at home. Here's an easy way to make it. With the garden hose, a little bit of clay, very fancy science experiment. All I'm doing is vibrating air. I've closed up the ends of these. In fact, one of my favorite ones to do is a straw oboe. In one of our shows, we went to the Indianapolis Symphony and we looked at how the different instruments sounded and played. So you take a straw and then you cut this part like this and you have a nice two little flaps right here that sound kind of like this. Now, this part is kind of weird though. the less the air is, the higher the pitch. Sound is just vibrations. In fact, if I do this right, we should hear something. This one is a little bit shorter. Is that going to be a higher sound or a lower sound?